Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to our channel. So guys, I've been receiving a lot of queries from you guys about other colleges in Bangalore. And one college that I've been requested a lot or demanded about is Alliance University. So finally guys, we are here at Alliance University.
And the management has been very supportive and has allowed us to take a tour. So we'll be here all day showing you around the campus. So guys, let's get started.
Let's go guys. Guys, the first stop is the admin block. This is a no noise zone, but we will still give you guys a little sneak peek of what's inside.
So what's inside is the dean's office, the registrar's office, and the faculty members' offices. So let's go inside. To be honest, guys, this doesn't look anything lesser than Karan Johar's set.
Guys, behind us is the library block of Alliance University.
As a student, you will spend a lot of time here if you are actually into studying and researching. So let's go and have a look.
This looks huge. This is the outside block of the library. Inside is the library.
Let's keep it low.
Guys, above this are the study rooms where you guys can do your group assignments, work, all of that. In the basement also, there is place where you can study. It's filled with books and looks pretty good.
Guys, this campus looks no less than a resort. With all these golf carts around it and this greenery, it's so beautiful. So guys, I am really starving and we are finally at Aromas. It's Alliance University's official canteen. However, Kavach Bhai is a little distracted because one, he doesn't feel hungry, and two, there is a basketball match happening right here in front of us. And it is really intense. But let's focus on food for now.
Guys, it's lunchtime in Alliance University and we are at their official food court. It's like a two-story mess where food is paid for by the university. Students whosoever got their ID cards can go in and eat all of its kind buffet.
Yes, you can just scan your card and then you can get your food just by that.
If you're hungry, let's go for it, guys. guys, we are in the learning center of Alliance University. This is where all the action happens relating to studies, classes, all of that, and we will show you guys around.
However, guys, we are here after hours because we didn't want to disturb their classes. But anyways, let's go have a tour of this. So guys, right now we are at this beautiful place where everyone can come and chill in between classes. And here what you see is 3 floors of classes and seminar halls, which we will take you to just in a while.
Guys, I was just talking to the students here at Alliance University, and they were praising a lot about the faculty members. A lot of them are from Ivy Leagues. At the same time, even the dean is from Stanford University. So I guess that's a great plus point to be studying from faculty members, you know, who are from specifically the Ivy Leagues, like Cambridge, Oxford, all of that. Guys, even though the class times are over at Alliance University, there's an extra class going inside. I'll just give you guys a sneak peek of how the classrooms of Alliance University are like. Guys, we are at the seminar hall. They have seminar halls in all the floors of the learning center. Let's have a look.
So guys, now we are at Career Advancement and Networking Office of Alliance University. So this place has their alumni cell and their placement cell. There are a lot of people working inside, so we will keep it a little down. But let's go inside.
Guys, this is their boardroom. Have a look.
So guys, now we are at the girls' hostel. Let's go and have a look. Now they do have multiple options here. They do have a single sharing room, a double sharing room, a triple sharing room, depending on how you would like to stay. But let's go and look at this. So what we are seeing right now is a demo room, which is right here. And this is the room. There's one bed there and one bed here. There are huge almirahs. And study tables, of course. So here we have the bathroom. And yes, that's the bathroom. They also do have an AC here, which is again very uncommon. But yeah, thank God for that, because it's getting really hot in Bangalore for everyone to know.
Guys, I'm walking towards the boys' hostel of Alliance University, but before that, this is the laundry area. And on the top there is the departmental store where people can buy all the confectionery that they want to. Come, let's go towards the boys' hostel. Guys, they have multiple options like single sharing, double sharing, triple sharing, all of that. I'm going to show you one demo room which is of double sharing. Come, let's have a look. So this is the room. Okay. This is one bed. This is the other bed. Study tables. Good view outside of volleyball field and good greenery. The washrooms, yeah, okay, the washrooms are this side. By the way, 2 individual cupboards for like 2 people who are staying in. This is the washroom. This is it, and these are the bathing area and the WC. Typical of boys hostel. Oh my god, I miss my boarding school and boys hostel. Guys, we are going to be taking a mini break from the campus tour. We are at Nescafe and we are going to be drinking some cold coffees. Pavni's found some juniors as her friends, So she's chilling with them. I'm going to drink cold coffee. Behind here are the faculty and staff quarters, and this is where they stay. So guys, it's evening now at Alliance University. The campus looks far quieter and very calm. I'm going to be showing you guys around the sports facility of Alliance campus. The great part is that they have Altos, which is like their intercollegiate sports fest. They have 50 colleges across the country who've come on campus to participate for various sports tournaments, from basketball, football, all of that. Come, I'll show you guys. So guys, this is the basketball court of Alliance University. A girls basketball tournament is happening, so have a look. Guys, I'm at the place where I completely don't belong. I'm not at all into gymming, weightlifting, bodybuilding, all of that. But have a look at their gym. This looks really very good. They have all the modern amenities that are needed. And I guess this is a great way to shape yourself and your personality. Guys, look how massive their football field is.
Guys, the campus is so huge that our legs have given up.
Guys, we are going to the other sports area where they have like volleyball field, cricket field, all of that. But for that, we've asked them to help us with this golf cart that will help us reach there. Guys, this is their cricket field. Look how huge this is. And there is an actual intercollegiate match that is going on. I mean, for cricket lovers, I think this is genuinely a heaven. I don't know how much you can see of it because like the pitch is also pretty far. But they're playing white ball cricket. And yup, it looks amazing. Guys, these are the volleyball courts, and here a kabaddi match is going on between two different colleges, and it looks pretty intense. Guys, it's that time of the vlog when we are done with the campus tour and we have to leave.
Guys, I totally don't feel like leaving because this campus is so nice. You can even hear the birds chirp everywhere. It's so amazing.
By the way, guys, I will be putting down link in the description below of Alliance University, so you guys can check out their website. At the same time, they are ready to host you guys, and you guys are most welcome to come take a tour like us. We did, and you guys can even stay because they have like a guest house. So in case if you want to come visit with your parents and have a look at the campus, you guys can definitely do that. I'll be ending the vlog now, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, comment, share, yes. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Take care, guys. See you soon.
See you in the next vlog.